Is your cleaning routine stuck in the Stone Age, wielding a dustpan and a flimsy broom like some kind of cave dweller? Fear not, weary warriors against grime. The Eureka Flash corded stick vacuum might just be the futuristic weapon you've been searching for. This lightweight champion boasts the power to tackle dirt and debris on both hard floors and carpets, transforming from a nimble stick vacuum to a handheld hero, ready to conquer every corner of your home. But can this sleek device truly live up to the hype? This review delves deep into the features, functions, and potential drawbacks of the Eureka Flash, helping you decide if it's the ultimate weapon in your fight for a clean and dust-free home. Lightweight power, effortless cleaning from floor to ceiling. Weighing only 63 pounds, the Eureka Flash boasts a lightweight design. This makes it easier to maneuver around furniture, clean underneath cabinets, and reach high ceilings areas that often get neglected with bulkier vacuums. Despite its lightweight construction, the Eureka Flash promises 15 kPa of suction power, aiming to tackle dirt and debris effectively. Multi-surface mastery, seamless transition from hard floors to carpets. The Eureka Flash isn't a one-trick pony. It features multi-floor cleaning modes with fingertip brush roll control. This allows you to easily switch between cleaning hard floors and carpets, optimizing performance for each surface. Transforming power, from floors to furniture with a click. The Eureka Flash isn't just a stick vacuum. With a simple click, it transforms into a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling furniture upholstery, tight spaces, stairs, and even car interiors. This versatility allows you to clean a wider range of surfaces, keeping your entire home dust-free. Advanced maneuverability. Effortlessly navigate around furniture. Cleaning tight spaces and navigating around furniture can be a challenge. The Eureka Flash features advanced swivel steering, allowing for smooth and effortless maneuvering. This makes cleaning more efficient and less of a chore. Illuminating the way, LED headlights for hidden debris. Low light conditions can make it difficult to see dust bunnies and dirt lurking in shadows. The Eureka Flash incorporates LED headlights. This thoughtful feature illuminates hidden debris, ensuring a more thorough clean, especially under furniture or in dimly lit areas. Easy maintenance and hassle-free dust disposal. The Eureka Flash boasts several features that contribute to easy maintenance and hassle-free cleaning. Easy Empty Dust Cup. The removable dust cup features a simple emptying mechanism that allows you to dispose of debris without mess. Washable brush roll, filter, and sponge. Maintaining the Eureka Flash is a breeze. The brush roll, dust cup filter, and sponge can all be washed with water, keeping your vacuum cleaner performing optimally. Convenient storage base. The included storage base provides a compact solution for storing the vacuum cleaner and its attachments. The final verdict: a lightweight and versatile option for everyday cleaning. The Eureka Flash corded stick vacuum offers a user-friendly and versatile cleaning solution for everyday tasks. The lightweight design, multi-surface cleaning capabilities, and convertible format make it a great option for a variety of cleaning needs. The easy-to-empty dust cup, washable components, and convenient storage base add to its user-friendliness. Ultimately, the Eureka Flash corded stick vacuum could be a strong contender for those in smaller homes or apartments with a mix of hard floors and carpets. Those with large homes, a strong preference for cordless options, or a need for more powerful suction for deep carpet cleaning might want to consider alternative models. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.